she has that was the result.
How are you? Good to see you.
That the one thing the Western Balkans can count on
goes way beyond our usual mix of investment finance and policy reforms, which is of course the EBRD's trademark.
It's very helpful for the Western Balkan and encouraging through the whole processes what we pass all these years behind us, but also we intend to go forward. Really, it's a different kind of a region than before 10, 15 years ago. A lot of examples of attraction for investment is happened there. Why? Because of profits, because of sustainable investment, what's happened there. I saw here a few investors, like investors from Ferronickel or Balvin Group in trade centers, who are tens of thousands of millions of investments happen and open a lot of jobs in the region. Positive things happen because of political matter. We decide that even the Western markets will appreciate us more if we are more connected and we increase cooperation inside of the regions. We follow the positive examples like Serbia, for example. They are our front leaders in European Union integration, and a lot of reforms inside of the country bring a lot of economic results. Also now happen in my country, happen in Albania, probably will happen in other countries in the region, and we're continuing in this direction. What is very important, after the political issues what my country solved, first with Bulgaria, now with Greece, we changed even our name. Now we are North Macedonia. Why? Because we want to open ourselves for a better European future, but also to connect better in the region. With Greece, after the agreement, we increased the trade 21%, for example, and we increased the whole export of 16.8%. That's happened. Immediate effects happen because European Union sent a positive message. Until now, only hope, nothing concrete. I hope today there will be something concrete for us and Albania normally, and that will continue to encourage us. But for sure, encourage investment. I mentioned a few examples. I saw businessmen here who invest a lot of money in the country. We finished last year with 260% more investment than the average of the last 7 years. It's 737 million euro, $737 million. Before that, the average was $200 million. We are 1.6 million citizens in the country, comparing with other countries. What's other happened? We decreased unemployment 5% in the last year. We have lately the new credit rating from Fitch, what is after 13 years, first time positive from BB to BB plus with a sustainable outlook, and that encourage everybody. We are in 10th place in the world level for doing business, for example. A lot of things change, and that attracts investment. Our industry production increased 8%, and of course, a lot of positive things happen. GDP is 4.1%, and we are very happy. It's one of the new records after 15 years, but for sure it's not enough for the Western Balkan. We need more than 5, 6, 7% if we want to be with faster movement to catch up the Western countries from European Union. But for sure, we need to work a lot. Only to add it, we prepare a lot of aspects to open our borders. Now we are preparing one-stop shops in our borders to cut 50% the time of waiting in borders, but also a lot of procedures happen. For example, my government decide to deliver the complete 100% trust to the institutions of our neighbors, like Agency for Food or Custom, or I don't know, from Serbia. If the Agency of Food from Serbia or for Albania confirm that there is good quality of food from Serbia who come in North Macedonia. For us, that is enough. We don't need it to check it. That is a way how to open our borders more and more, and I hope that will be very soon some kind of a new connection, because we are together market of 20 million potential buyers, 20 million citizens, but also together we will have a common supply or common offer to the other regions from European Union, and that put us in one of the more attractive region for sure for investment. I think for the investors who are maybe first time here and want to hear us, though the whole region, it's very interesting because of our low economic standard. That means a lot of profit for the investors and sustainable profit if they decide to invest. For us, immediately mean open jobs and keep our young people in the countries, to support our growth, and immediately to support our economic growth and economic standard, normally, together with that. So it's a win-win situation. A lot of companies from all around the world, everybody mentioned it, China, Arabian countries, Middle East, are very much focused in the region. I think European investors can be a first one who will invest in the region, because our markets are more connected and more really with the same mentality with the European market. And I hope that there will be finding a good reason and momentum for decisions from the companies from the whole European continent to be focused in this part of Western Balkan or Balkan area.